Good morning, withdraw tayo sa ating crypto trading academy. No, good morning KI, withdrawal muna tayo sa ating crypto trading. Kukurot tayo ng pangbayad natin sa bills. Okay, so kung gusto mong mabayaran yung bills mo, libre dito sa AI Crypto Trading. So rating natin, processing yan. So meron tayong 8,000. Okay, withdraw tayo ng 5,000. Okay, this is Coach John Pitt. So sa gustong mag-enroll ng ating crypto trading, so PM para mag-guide kita. God bless day. See you tomorrow.